Hi children, today we are going to study polynomials. So before going to the chapter, we will discuss some basic things regarding this chapter, okay? So first of all, what is polynomial? An algebraic expressions with more than one term is called a polynomial. Understood? More than one term is called a polynomial. So in this one, we have 4x square plus 3x plus 2. Look at the polynomial. This is an expression. See it. So which are the terms here? 4x square, 3x, 2 are called the terms of the polynomial. Understood? So this is called terms. 4x square, 3x and 2. So there are different kinds of polynomials are there. First, what is zero polynomial? Zero polynomial means, what is zero polynomial? A polynomial having all coefficients 0. A polynomial having all coefficients 0 is called zero polynomial. Understood? So next one is constant polynomial. What is constant polynomial? Constant polynomial. Constant polynomial is, so an example of constant polynomial is 4, 5, -6, -7, 9. Understood? So the numbers are called constant. Then this chapter we will study algebraic expressions. What is algebraic expressions? As we studied in the earlier classes. What is algebraic expressions? So an algebraic expressions is a combination of terms connected by the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So it is a combination of terms connected with the subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. Whatever it is, it will come like addition with the subtraction. So division it will come, multiplication it will come. So these are the examples of algebraic expressions. Next, in this chapter we will study degree of polynomial. So degree of polynomial means what? Degree of polynomial in one variable is the highest exponent of the variable. So let us do an example. 4x cube plus 2x square plus 1. So which has the highest degree? 4x cube. This is the highest degree. So the degree is 3 here. Understood? So next one we will study some types of polynomial. So as we studied in the earlier classes, as we know, monomial is a polynomial of one term. What is binomial? A polynomial of two terms. What is trinomial? A polynomial of three terms. Is it? So here in this chapter we will study linear polynomial. What is linear polynomial? A polynomial of degree 1. Linear means polynomial of degree 1. Understood? Polynomial of degree 1. So this is called linear polynomial. Next one is quadratic. Quadratic polynomial. So what is quadratic polynomial? Polynomial of degree 2. Polynomial of degree 2. Understood? Next one is biquadratic. Biquadratic means what? Polynomial of degree 4, because bi means 2 and quadratic means 2. So the power is 4. Next one is cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? So polynomial of degree 3. Understood? So these are the types of polynomial. So next we will do some questions. First one is write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. The first question is 2 plus x square plus x. So we have to find the coefficient of x square. So we will take the term x square from that. Which is the x square term here? This one is the x square term here. Is it? What is the coefficient of x square here? So 1 is the coefficient of x square. Understood? So if x square has no other coefficient, that means 1 has the coefficient. Clear? Go to the next one. Pi by 2 x square plus x. So find the coefficient of x square here. What we have to write first? A term with the x square. What is the term with x square? Term with the x square. So that means it is pi by 2 x square. So what is the coefficient here? Coefficient of x square is pi by 2. Understood? So the next question is root 2x minus 1. So here there is no term with the x square. There is no term with the x square. So the coefficient is 0 here. Understood? Coefficient is 0. So in this way we are finding the coefficient. Sometimes they will ask to find coefficient of y square. Sometimes they will ask coefficient of x square. If they ask coefficient of x means you have to take the term with the x and write the coefficient. If they ask, sometimes they will ask the coefficient of y square, then you have to write the term with the y square, then write the coefficient. Understood? Sometimes they will ask the coefficient of xy. That time take the term with the xy and write the coefficient. Understood? The next one is classify the following as linear, quadratic, biquadratic, cubic. So we have to classify the following polynomial and find out which is linear, which is quadratic, which is cubic and which is biquadratic. The first one is x minus x cube. Look at the polynomial as the highest degree is 3 here, is it? So it is highest degree is 3 here, so it is cubic polynomial. Understood? Next one 3t. So here the highest degree is what? 1. If the highest degree is 1, which polynomial it is? Linear polynomial. Understood? And the next one is r square. So here which is the highest degree? 2 is here. So it is called quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Next one x plus x square plus 4. In this case the highest degree is what? 2 over here, is it? So it is called quadratic. If the highest degree is 2, we will call it as quadratic polynomial. And go to the next one 4t raised to 4 plus 4t cube plus 3t minus 2. In this question, which one has highest degree? 7t raised to 4. 4 is the highest degree here. So it will call biquadratic polynomial. Understood? Biquadratic polynomial. So in this way we are finding. Understood? Next one more question. 5y minus root 2. So this one the highest power of variable is y, is it? So 5y, that is the degree is 1 over here. Degree is 1 over here. So we call it as it is a, so degree of the polynomial is linear. Clear? Understood? So in this way we are finding the polynomial. We are classifying the polynomial according to the degree. Clear? Next one, find the value of the polynomial. So we have to find the value of the polynomial. The first question is 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at, first we will put x equal 0. So we have to substitute the value x with 0. So 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. 5 into 0 it will be 0 minus 4 into 0 square it will be again 0 plus 3. So what is the value here? 3. Then we will put another value x equals negative 1 with the same polynomial. So 5 into negative 1, is it? Minus 4 into negative 1 square plus 3. So 5 into negative 1, it will be negative 5, is it? So negative 4 into 1. So 1 square means it will be positive 1, is it? Negative 1 into negative 1, it will be positive 1. Then negative 4 into positive 1, it will be again negative 4. Then plus 3. Clear? So negative 5, negative 4, it will be negative 9. So 5 plus 4, 9. 2 negatives, it will be changed to addition. Then put negative sign plus 3. 1 negative, 1 positive on addition. Subtract it and put greater number sign. That is negative sign here. Clear? Then the same polynomial we should substitute x equals 2. So 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. 5 into 2, it will be 10 minus 4 into 2 square. That means 4 into 2 square means again 4. 4 into 4, it will be 16 plus 3. 10 minus 16. It will be what? Otherwise, you can add 10 plus 3. Then it will get 13 minus 16. So it will be negative 3. You can either use 10 minus negative 6. 16, that means negative 6 plus 3, it will be negative 3. Otherwise, positive numbers you can add. It will be 13 minus 16 equals negative 3. So, in this way, we are finding the value of polynomial. Understood? So, next class we will study the factor theorem and also algebraic identities. Understood? Thank you.